I've talked about transformation on many occasions before, about how once you transform, it sends a ripple effect out into the universe, and everyone else transforms. That's my goal as a physician, life coach, and Reiki master, to help people transcend any limiting beliefs, any physical thing that they're dealing with in life. Hi, I'm Dr. Watts, founder of Dr. Watts Organics and Pharmaceuticals, Pharmaceuticals in a box. Over the past 9.5 years, I personally started my own transformation to a healthier lifestyle that has not only changed thousands in the process along with me, but continues to sweep the country. We have people all over the United States and other countries that have also adapted to this newer, healthier lifestyle to lose weight, eat better, feel better, and get more mental clarity in life and pursue a life of passion and purpose. Now, Dr. Watts Organics and Pharmaceuticals in a Box are taking it to the next level. After helping people change over 9.5 years, I've realized a lot of different things. For number one, people wanted easier access to healthier foods, organic foods. You have many obstacles to deal with daily. You have to buy a juicer, vegetables, and sometimes that can be hard for people. We are busy professionals. People work, taking care of kids, and we want to make this transformation for you as easy as possible to everyone so they can get their hands on this and start slowly changing their taste buds to start craving healthier foods. So we wanted to take that and create a package of certified organic products that are non-GMO, gluten-free, 100% plant-based, has no additives, dairy-free, soy-free, so people could cut out the guesswork on which products to purchase, as well as to save hundreds of dollars. We have put together these products so that you can have something every single day that gives your body the nutrition that you need. We've come up with pharmaceuticals in a box. That's Pharmaceuticals. That includes super green juice powder, chlorophyll, turmeric, chlorella, and MCT oil. I've taken lots of supplements myself over the last 9 years. The same supplements contained in pharmaceuticals in a box, and it has transformed my life radically. As a result, I haven't taken a prescribed medication in over 6-7 years for the ailments I used to experience, such as migraines, sinus complications, anemia, and even joint pains from the many, many years of playing tennis, racquetball, basketball, scuba diving, snow skiing, and chasing my own kids around the house when they were younger. So I know what I would want in my own daily supplement regimen. Many of you know about spirulina and chlorella, the sea vegetables that's in our superfood powder, which are great immune boosters. They're loaded with B vitamins, help with cognitive function, and chlorella is a great heavy metal detoxifier. Many people undergoing chemotherapy or radiation treatments for cancer are at risk for exposure to these heavy metals during their treatments. We also have turmeric, which is an amazing anti-inflammatory. It gets rid of inflammation that is found in the body, which is a huge cause of many diseases, such as joint pains, arthritic pain, back pain, or pain found in fibromyalgia sufferers. Turmeric has become one of the most sought-out natural pain relievers on the market. A lot of research on turmeric has been done. It is one of my favorite supplements I take each morning. We get flooded with daily emails asking where to get the best organic turmeric. Well, we have it right here in our Pharmaceuticals in a Box collection. I knew that ashwagandha was one of the adaptogen herbs that I have been taking that has created tremendous results for me in my life. We included it as part of our green superfood powder. Ashwagandha has been shown to lower anxiety and stress. Now, let me ask you a question. How many people have stressful days? These are the same people that want to achieve their health and fitness goals, that are on these type of yo-yo diets. You see, they lose a lot of weight and then suddenly gain it back. Stress is the underlying trigger of that. If we start regulating the stress, if we can eradicate it, eliminate it from our life, then it's easier to hit our goals. After 1 week of using pharmaceuticals in a box, we're going to notice more energy and this calm, serene place that you come to. You start to feel better. You start having more positive outlooks. And you know when you're emitting this positivity in your life, because positivity can return to you. When I wake up every morning, I take my chlorophyll. It comes in liquid drops. I usually put it in about 4 to 6 ounces of good alkaline water to help wake up my cells in my body. And then I grab my pharmaceuticals in a box, superfood green powder, mix it in my smoothie, or simply add it to water and drink it like that. I know that I have spirulina, chlorella, turmeric, chlorophyll, MCT oil, ashwagandha, and best of all, none of these have any artificial sweeteners. Our MCT oil contains coconut. And the cool thing about coconut is it actually helps transport nutrients to our cells. So when you use MCT oil with everything else that's contained in pharmaceuticals in a box, it helps efficiently transport the nutrients into our cells. Our super green food powder also contains beets. And beets increase the red blood cells in our body and the nitric oxide in our body. Nitric oxide is very anti-aging. It helps also with our circulation. Imagine coming home at the end of a long, hard, stressful day and not needing a beer or a glass of wine to feel great. Imagine not having to experience a crash at 1 in the afternoon, but feeling full of substantial energy so you can go home and enjoy time with the family, playing at the park with the kids, or just enjoying quality time with your spouse or partner. Imagine those bad foods you used to crave, or just chew out of old habit. You don't crave those anymore. Eventually, after taking our products, you start craving the healthier foods, like salads, broccoli, kale, and other green vegetables we wouldn't have touched with a 10-foot pole before. That used to be me 9.5 years ago. I hated most green vegetables. All healthy lifestyles take a starting point, and you want that starting point to be as simple and easy as possible. Pharmaceuticals in a Box is a complete, simple package that can be sent to you and in your kitchen in no time. It is going to remind you that you have all the tools I've talked about, and most of all, it tastes amazing. Not only do people say pharmaceuticals in a box has made their life easier, but they actually feel better, and they wish they would have known about this product much earlier. The game changer here is that the people who use pharmaceuticals in a box not only say they use it every day, but they want to. They want to do something that will change their life forever. When you like doing something, you form this habit, and that's what's going to make it much easier for you to stick to and lead you to your goal of a healthier lifestyle and that body you've always wanted, and that energy everyone desires in their life daily. When we started this product box, we set out to transform millions of lives, and pharmaceuticals in a box is an amazing step in that direction. You see, my 83-year-old mom, 60-year-old brother, 20-year-old daughter, and other family members love the flavor of our super green juice and the benefits of our other products. We are now officially opening this up to the entire world so they can also have this great gift that we've been working on so diligently. I'm Dr. Watts. We are in this health journey together. I'm not only the Pharmaceuticals in a Box founder, I'm also a client and a customer.